Hey everyone, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care. Today I'm coming to you with a very exciting announcement. We are going to be opening an office in Naples, Florida. This is really exciting to us because we already do a lot of landscape installs, landscape lighting, all the way from Cape Coral into Naples. And as we've started to do more and more projects, lighting and landscape installs specifically in Naples, we're really excited to have an office in place. So as we spend more and more time meeting with clients just like you about the projects, on appointments, and seeing what people truly need, we will have another home base there as well. So super excited. We're going to be opening up shop in Naples ASAP, and we have very exciting news right around the corner. We're going to keep you top of mind and keep you informed as we make more progress on this. But for now, we're open in Naples and going to be doing even more landscaping there than we already do. And us as an entire team are so excited to keep growing and serving more clients just like you.